Erica Umana, Erica Sanchez, Dairy Benitez, and Brandon Cuevas. On June 2nd, 2021, 2 Prince George's County police officers responded to Allison Street for the report of a dog bite. A victim told 2 officers that she had just been bitten by 2 large dogs. When the officers knocked on the door of the apartment, where the dogs were said to live, and received no answer, they got a key from the apartment complex and went inside the apartment. Multiple officers approached the apartment where the dogs lived. The officers used a master key to open the door. After no one answered their knocking, they declared their presence multiple times before entering the apartment.
Hey, so go ahead.
Is he coming in? Oh, he gave you the key? Oh, okay. I just wanted to ask him on camera for access. But he gave us the key. PGPD! Hey, PGPD! Let me put it 10-3. The door's open, PGPD! Me too, can you put it 10-3, please? Hey, PGPD!
If you're in your house, come on out with your hands up. This is Prince George County Police Department. If you're in this house, come out with your hands up and make yourself known. One last time, this is Prince George County Police Department. If you're in this apartment, D2, come out with your hands up and make yourself known.
The occupants of the apartment suddenly let their presence known and engaged in a verbal argument with the officers. The officers tried to prevent one of the residents from entering the apartment.
Ma'am, are you coming out?
Tell you to come out. I don't need a warrant. We got probable cause.
You're being recorded for my purpose.
You live there? Oh, don't come in here. Push out, push out, push out, push out, push out, push out.
Don't touch me.
Ma'am, you gotta go.
Don't touch me.
You have to go. You can't be in the apartment. You can look all day.
Yep.
Ah, dang.
The officers then located another occupant and tried to apprehend her. Meanwhile, other officers prevented anyone from entering the apartment. One of the officers suggested handcuffing the woman trying to enter.
PGPD, you coming out or we coming in? Make up your mind.
Let me clear the other back.
Go ahead. Check your left. Hey.
Come on out, come on out, come on out.
Oh, it's
Come on out.
here. Why are you
Come on
in
out.
here?
Come on out. Come on out.
I'm right here.
Come out. We gotta check the other
All the
room.
way out.
From what? You don't have a warrant.
Let's go.
You don't have a warrant. I'm about to call
Come on out.
You can call whoever you want to call.
Who you locked up? That's fine. We're on the
I'm calling
Come on, step
911.
outside. Step outside.
PGPD.
Siri,
Step
call
outside. Step
911.
outside. Step outside.
Siri, call 111. This is
Ma'am?
my house. Why are you pushing me out?
Put your hands. You don't stop.
Because this is my house. You don't have a warrant to step in here. Siri,
B2, if anybody else is 10H, follow this way.
Hello. No, I live here.
Get back. Get ready. Step outside. There's someone else in that room. Stand by.
There's somebody else in the room.
I'm about to-
You don't have a warrant to be in here. Can you let go? I'm in here. You're harassing me.
Step outside. Step outside. Step outside.
You don't have a
Step outside.
warrant to
Step
be in
outside.
here.
Just put her in cuffs.
The officer suddenly noticed one of the dogs coming towards the other officers. He immediately deployed his taser. Another officer, meanwhile, discharged his firearm. The occupants instantly became agitated after the dog was shot.
Hey, watch out. I'm a taser. Hey, calm down. Calm down right now. Close the door.
Go. Get back.
What's going
Get
on
back.
right now? Look, yo,
Get
I
back.
need police 6908. Feds just came in my house for no reason.
Sir,
They shot my
just walk
dog.
up front for me.
No!
Keep that door closed.
No!
Sir, keep the door. Walk up front, man. But I'm a taser if you don't get your hand off that door.
The officer then handcuffed one of the occupants. The woman kept demanding the badge numbers of the officers. All the residents of the apartment were then handcuffed, and the officers escorted them outside to police cruisers.
Watch those two.
I'm really fucking tripping.
Please cooperate with what I'm saying, please.
No. Stop.
Stop.
No warrant.
All right, stop.
The dog
Just get all get him order.
May this open the door.
No, bro. Y'all did so fucking much. Y'all literally did so
That's what happens when you don't answer questions.
Do whatever the yeah. Your badge number. Your badge number. Daddy, give me what the now. Yo, get my dog. Give me the paper. Get my dog now. I swear to God. Get her now. Somebody call the fucking hospital.
Do not get my face. Do not get my face. That is fine. That is fine. Keep it distance.
Can you get your
badge?
badge?
That is fine.
Can you
Get
get your
back.
badge?
Get back.
Bro,
Get back.
can I get your badge?
Get a phone. Get it back.
No, right now. Badge number. Right now, Jackson. No, Jackson. I need your badge number. Where's your supervisor? What? Do y'all feel so entitled now? Y'all feel big as shit, don't y'all? Y'all feel big as shit? Y'all just fucking shot a fucking gun. Yeah, y'all feel big as shit. Fucking house full of fucking females.
Cars.
You can't fucking warrant. Let me put my shoes on, bro. Why did you come in with that warrant?
Where they at? I'm gonna let you get it. Give me a second.
For what? For what?
Focus on her. I got the radio.
You can't even give me a reason. Why am I under arrest? Because what?
Where's your other one?
She got it. She needs some shoes, though. She needs some shoes.
Okay, chill.
Hey, I have a knee.
Hey, it's a dog in this other room. Be careful.
Fuck out of me. Why you rob me? I have a knee injury. Please chill the fuck out. Sorry, relax. She does dragging me. I know, the fuck. Just let that shit go. You're not gonna fucking listen, dog. I don't give a shit. They better carry me because I have a knee injury. I have a whole ACL torn the fuck out. All I gotta say, what the fuck was this for, bruh? Shooting my dog? For what? For fucking what? You act like they do that shit intentional. They dogs, my nigga. They dogs. They dogs. They animals. They don't know what they animals. They don't have brains like us. Come on, yo. Come on, bro. Be calm. Have some sense, dog. Come on. Thanks, dog. No, I'm not saying that. They didn't even run out of here, bro. Out of here, bro. I just need my shoes, bro.
I get it.
I need my shoes
I will get it. Your friend has it. I gotta get it.
All right, well, go get her some shoes, bro.
All right, let me get you in the car
No,
first.
I'm good. I go get her some shoes, bro.
Ma'am, can you please put your leg in the
No,
car?
y'all done too much already. Y'all literally did too much. There's nothing for me to do. Where the fuck am I gonna flee? I'm not gonna go nowhere.
I understand that. You're asking me to get your shoes. If you'd like me to do that, I need you to do what I need you to do. Thank you.
Later, a $16 million lawsuit was filed against the Prince George's County Police Department for the alleged unlawful home invasion and unjust killing of the dog. The civil rights lawsuit alleges that 3 police officers entered the apartment without any legal justification, mitigation, a warrant, or any exception to the Fourth Amendment warrant requirement and killed the dog. 2 of the officers were suspended, and a third was placed on administrative leave as an investigation was opened by the Internal Affairs Division. The 2 suspended officers faced the Internal Police Trial Board for conduct unbecoming of an officer. Both remain on administrative duty. The third was also found to have done conduct unbecoming of an officer, was suspended for 2 weeks, passed up for a promotion cycle, and is back out on duty.